Hi everyone! Now we are going to make apple and banana cake, easy cake. So I'm just going to cut the apple. This is Granny Smith apple, yung green apple, into small pieces, and it's about to discolorate, changes its color already. So I'm going to pour in 1 tablespoon of the calamansi juice or lemon if you have. So I'm going to coat it with the calamansi. And then I'm going to finish everything plus the banana. I'm just going to slice it, 1 piece of banana and 1 piece of apple. And then you stir into the 1 tablespoon of calamansi juice or lemon if you have. Let's get started. We are going to pour in our wet ingredients first. So let's start with the eggs. We'll put in the eggs into our bowl. Ito mga mommies, maganda rin to pang breakfast ng mga kiddos nyo. Para maiba naman yung breakfast nyo. Meron kayong cake, parang pie ito. So, idadagdag po natin, we're going to put in, it's an optional thing, the oil. I'm using canola oil, 3 tablespoons if you like. And then, we will add, this is Greek style of creamy yogurt, Greek style, the vanilla flavor. So, I'm just going to pour it in. So before I'm going to pour it in, let's recap all the ingredients. First, we have 2 eggs. We have yogurt, plain yogurt. This is, I think, sorry about the background, 200 to 250 of milligrams of this. And then we have 1 tablespoon of baking powder, 5 tablespoons of sugar, any kind of sugar, brown is okay. Then this is sliced 1 apple and 1 banana, slice and soak in 1 tablespoon to 2 tablespoons of calamansi juice or lemon juice. This is 100 grams of flour. Then what else? You have to grease your pan. I greased my pan and then I put some flour on it. So are you ready? I am ready. So again, it's an optional thing. You can put in canola oil and scrape off the sides. But I cannot do it now, for now, because I'm holding my camera. Just whisk. Now the liquid ingredients are already mixed up. We are adding the dry ingredients. So we will start with the sugar. We'll add the sugar, then the flour. The flour, I put it in the plastic bag because I want to weigh it. This is 100 grams. I cannot convert it right away in cups. I think this is 1/2 cup, but I'm not sure. So you ask Google. Then we're going to finish this up. Then we will put in the baking powder. And then mix it all up. Lalagay ko po lahat to. Wait lang ha. I'm going to use my both hands. I'm sorry about this. It's already changing its color. Mix it all well. If you want, you can add vanilla for flavor. So you can remove the not so good smell or taste of the egg. I smell the vanilla flavor. Even I was not able to put vanilla flavorings here because, as you noticed earlier, when I opened the lid of this yogurt, I see some spots. That is the vanilla bean. So, ayan. Malasa na. And I smell it. The vanilla is there. So we're going to pour in our dish and going to be put in the toaster oven for about 15 minutes. And then we will cover it para hindi masyado masunog yung top nito kasi madaling masunog. Wala tayong timer sa oven toaster. So we're going to mix this well and put it in yung half nito ipuput dun sa ating baking tray, baking pan, and then fill it with the fruits. So we pour in half of this mixture into our baking dish. And then we scatter it all around. Then we will put the fruits. So scatter natin to sa edges. Medyo malaki yung aking container. But it is okay. Then we can add the fruits. So you have to move quickly kasi nagdi-discolorate na ang ating fruits. My hands are clean, by the way. So I'm going to scatter it here. Yeah. And then half of the batter mixture or the cake mixture will be poured in on top. Tap natin ng konti. Let's tap it. So yung bubbles ay ma-release. And then we cover it with aluminum foil para hindi gaano itong masunog. Kasi oven toaster lang gamit natin. We're just going to use the oven toaster, so you have to be cautious. So lagyan natin. We're going to put it in the oven toaster. Alagaan natin. Tingnan natin once in a while kung medyo sunog na or luto na. Post this. And 5 minutes na. 10 minutes muna. Did you see that? Diba? Ang ganda. Golden ang nasa ibabaw. Kasi kanina po white lang po yan. Tinanggal ko yung foil. At yan, pinatoast ko yung ibabaw. So, 30 minutes po. 10 po yung ginawa ko para hindi matoast ng husto. So, we're going to unmold this. We will pull this first and then unmold. Ay, nahulog. Yan. May kumakanta po dito. Gusto maging singer. Dahan-dahan Sam. Oh, it came out clean, so it is done. Parang sobrang na-toast mo, pero para sa akin, okay lang. Baby ka. Yan. Ito ang pagkain ni Samboy. Binibidyo natin yan, Sam. Soft. Imagine, nakaluto tayo sa oven toaster. Medyo toasted nga ng konti. Pero pwede na. Taste it, Sam. Sarap ba, Sam? Sarap? Tingin. Tingin ang smile. Sisilaw. Sarap. Approve. You can try my recipe. Please like us on our FB page and subscribe to our channel. Merry Christmas! Sarap. Wow. Thank you. Sarap, tignan mo, oh. Healthy pa. Thank you, ate.